Hey guys, this is Margie5, and this is the mechanism video for my Lego candy machine. So, yeah, I know what you're thinking. It's expensive and stuff, and in the video, when I pulled the bar back, the gumball fell, and I went into the air. Yeah, it wasn't supposed to happen. Sometimes it does that, so just ignore it. Okay, so, in the video, he rejected all 4 of these coins because they're too small to fit in that slot. I mean, to like get stuck in there. See? And then quarter also. But these, since a quarter looks big, it's actually that the dollar coin is like about 1 millimeter big, bigger than the quarter. So then, it would, like, when you put it in, it would like hit the bar, and then it will fall into here. And then this little piece is attached to the bar and will hit the coin. And then when you push it, this part is also attached to the bar. So then when you push it, the gumball's in there, and it will push it into a hole. See? Right there. Look. And then when you pull back, it will go slide over and then back down. So then, yeah. And this is really simple. It's just pushing this part. It's really simple. It's just this part getting pushed by this. You hear that sound when I was taking the video? My brother is watching Ninjago on the Wii, so just ignore it. And you can hear it now. That was Lloyd. So, yeah. If you copy this mechanism, please give me credit. And I will upload videos every Saturday. So, I got time to build and stuff to practice videos and stuff, and yeah. So, yeah. By the way, I got some more subscribers. Yeah, but I'm still low on subscribers, so if you find this video neat, subscribe to me. And yeah, that's it. This is Margie5, signing off.